So Leon Bailey has returned to the national setup. It must mean that something, if not everything, between Bailey and the Federation has been sorted. Right? Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for tuning in. As always, massive respect to you guys for the time I take out of your busy schedule just to come and spend the 10 minutes with us. Now, we're going to touch on Leon Bailey, the Leon Bailey situation back in the national setup, which is brilliant news and all possible way you can look at it. But before we get into that, let's do the YouTube stuff. I've been on YouTube for 3 years now. When I started doing Jamaican content, I was like 600 or 700 subscribers. Now I'm over 54,000. All of that is only or solely down to you guys. So I have to say, wholeheartedly, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So, in the meantime, let's carry on doing the good stuff in hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, showing the support. All right, so we're going to speak about Leon Bailey. Now, with the inclusion of Leon Bailey in national setup now, this is big. This is really, really good news, and this is big. Now, it's not clear that the commitment letter or the written commitment or anything that is written stating that I want to play for the national setup is confirmed that, hey, this is in place. We want to know. We don't want the hullabaloo. What happened last time happen again. So that out of the way. Now, with Bailey coming back, it's good for the team itself. It means that we now have an extra top quality player coming to the team. But it also showcases the manager that we now have at the team. That just saying, that based off his presence, the pedigree that he's coming to the job with, the respect that he's garnered, the players are seeing this and saying, no, I want to come to this. On a normal basis, people, let me tell you, we're playing Cuba. We are playing Cuba. We are playing Cuba. And normally when we're playing Cuba, you don't see a lot of the big name. Or not just Cuba, the smaller nations. When we play smaller nations, you don't see a lot of big names turn up. But new coaches at the helm, everyone wants to come in and impress. I did say that Leon Bailey wants to be a part of the World Cup squad. People are telling me this, that, rated. I do believe that 100%. He wants to be a part of the World Cup squad. But circumstances, based off the camp that he's in, was certainly causing some problems for him where the setup is concerned, or where him getting back into the setup is concerned. Now, I've heard some rumors that him and his camp are kind of technically moving apart. That's just rumors at this present moment. And, you know, if you look into it, normally his camp would post on their social media page, congratulate him again for another call-up. We're not seeing that. Today, Saturday, camp squad call along. But I'll leave that for next time. That's going to be a totally different discussion. That's just I'll look at Birdie, tap him on my shoulder and tell me that. But for now, it is a good thing that he's back into the squad. It's a really good look, and maybe this is just what he needed. He needed to have the opportunity to clear his head so that he can come back with his mind cleared so he can get back into things. Now, this would also mean that certain aspect of him being absent must have been fixed or negated through regarding to some of the things that he said that needs to be sorted. So more than likely, he was given guarantee that these things are sorted, which means that, you know what, good. So these things are sorted. I'm good to be back. So it is a very, very big deal for the team, for the coach, because he wants to have all his best players for the return of Leon Bailey. And it's also a big deal for the support base. Not all the support base are loving it, but I think most of support base is loving it at this present moment. So that would definitely give the supporters a huge boost, specifically coming June 6th, where we're going to take on Cuba at the National Stadium. So the supporters can come out and support in their numbers and see their favorite players. Coach did say that once with Bailey coming back, he would love to see Bailey playing like how he played at Aston Villa, and that is something that the supporters have been calling for the longest time. No, and I do believe that we might see something different. Yes, we know it's Cuba, but this can be the stepping stone to start something fresh, something new. So, one, I'm happy that he's back into the squad because it makes the squad stronger, but I still stand on my ground based off what all that went down, that he handled it very, very poorly. Personally, I thought that he handled it very, very poorly, and that was my stance on it, and me not go change that. 100%, I won't change my stance on that. I'm not saying that he does not deserve forgiveness. However, I totally agree with that. But at the same time, it did happen. And as a big man, you have to learn to take accountability of your own actions. So I definitely take my stance on that one. But I'm still happy that he is in the squad, because at the end of the day, the best squad out there give us the best chance of winning the game at the end of the 90 minutes. And let's see what he can do for the national setup. We have been calling for him. It's been a while since he have scored a goal for us. I think this is now a perfect opportunity for him to get back on cue, hitting the back of the net and finding that bit of confidence and that bit of aura that he has at Aston Villa, just to transcend that into the national setup. So for me personally, it's a big thing that he's back into the setup, and it clearly clarifies that, you know what, the federation, all these issues and these niggling and bickering is being sorted out, thrown behind, and everyone is moving forward in one accord, and that is what we want. Coach McLaren spoke about commitment. That we want everyone to be committed to this program. Want everyone to be committed to the movement that's happening right now, and we are happy to have Lee and Billy back in the movement, and we will see how this one materializes. It is a good look. Let's see how this one go. McLaren, he got to touch on the pitch and start the work. Me, he got to go watch a match and start my work. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Yes, people are going to say about MG rated, whatever. Yeah, I ain't the idea. Me stand my ground same way, but me happy to see the ball come back. That's just how it is. You want me if it's still don't have vest rated? No, I won't do that. I won't do that. He's here, and he's here to play, and that's a positive. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hopefully you guys are doing good. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. And I mean, people, in the comment section, I don't know anything. Go link them there. Buy me a coffee, or support us on Patreon, or becoming a member. PayPal is there. Anything's there. Doesn't matter. But the easiest way to do it, I hitting the like button. Don't know anything already. We're out. God bless.